New year, new blessings. No fear, no stressing. No overextending. No L's, just lessons. No failures. No weapon that formed against you shall ever mess with your endeavors. No L's, just lessons. New mail, new questions. New money that's printing. New life get to live in. It's a new year, that's a given. Welcome to the new year. They say you won't, but you will. Climbing over 2 hills. I love you just like Drew Hill. New year.
Yo, good morning. The holistic hustler tapping in. So we out here filming today. Excuse my music, but you know, it's Sanctuary Sunday, one of my favorite days of the week. So I'm out here and I'm looking at, I'm pruning and I'm harvesting. Hold on, let me get some better sun. There you go. I'm pruning and harvesting. And guess what, y'all? My sugar apple is ready to be pollinated, right? So let me give y'all a little bit about it. So I believe it's a part of the soursop family, right? But let me get up close so I can show y'all what I'm talking about, because it's one of the pickiest plants when it comes to pollination, and it's very, very difficult. And I already got one that I did, so maybe we can get 2 or 3 out of this one. So let me explain to y'all. Hold on real quick. All right, check me out, y'all. So we out here and we're harvesting and pruning all at the same time, and I'll explain that later. But I'm looking at my sugar apple tree, and we got some stuff that's ready to be pollinated. So I'm gonna explain that to y'all. We gotta hand pollinate it because it's a sugar apple and it's very particular on pollination, and you gotta time it perfectly. If you don't know what hand pollination is and why I got this handy dandy paintbrush in my hand, go back and look at my videos and look for the one with my little shooter on there, and she's gonna teach y'all exactly what hand pollination is. So let me show y'all. And I'm so excited by a difficult plant. This may have something to do with one of my issues, but you know, when I'm dealing with people. But anyway, we'll talk about that later. So y'all watch this. Let me show y'all real quick. All right, so y'all see that right there? That is a flower, right here. That's a flower. All right, let me see, there we go. That's a flower. All right, this is a leaf right here. Actually, no, that's gonna be another flower. All right, so how you know is, when you look at it close, it has 3 slits. See, 1, 2, and then on the back side, hold on the back side, there's a 3rd one, right? Now, if you want to know if it's a leaf, before it pops out, it'll look like that, right? See those right there? They only got 2 slits in it, right? So that's how you know that that's a leaf. When it open up, it's gonna open up into a leaf like this. All right, but as y'all can see in there, I got a sugar apple, right? Because I did one already. So we finna try to get this one. So you got to find another one, just like that, just like this, that's open, right? So I had another one I was already watching, which is right there, right? You see it? See it? It's open. So what we're gonna do, take this, stick it in there, get some of that out, and put it on the other side. All right, so I'm gonna get it out. Try not to break it. Some of that out of there. See it on there? Can you see it? All right, can you see it on there? So now we're gonna take it to the other side. Take it to the other side. See it right there? We're gonna try to get this right up in there. And there we go. It is pollinated. All right, y'all. So that's how you pollinate. So I'm finna see if I can do both sides with the same thing, and we're gonna see if we can make 2 out of 1. All right, so I'm gonna let y'all know in that progress. Tap in, subscribe to learn more. We educating on growing. We out here.